Alright, so here we are, and here is our simple L-shaped maze. So what I want to show you is this little person right here. They call them agents. That's just the Minecraft term that they use. So what we're trying to do is we are going to try to code our agent to walk all the way through our maze without difficulty. So the first thing we're going to need to do for that is we're going to click on the C to bring up our coding project, and we want to create a new project, and I'm going to name it my name. And now that we are in here, we don't need on start. We are going to use the chat in order for it to help us move our agent. So the first thing we want to do is in that text box, we're going to type the word agent, because when we type agent in the chat, we want the agent to come to where we are. So in these coding blocks, there is a red one that says agent. We're going to select on that, and we are going to click on the first one that says agent teleport to player, because wherever we're standing, the agent is going to come directly to us. And that's the first code. The next part of the code is on chat command. We want the agent to move forward. Once again, if you accidentally select that capital F, you will have to type it. And we are going to have the agent move forward by blank, and that means how many Minecraft blocks. So I would say maybe 2 or 3, keep it kind of small. But if you make it too small, it is going to take a lot of time, and you're going to have to type forward over and over and over again. So maybe we'll bump it up to 3. Next command is go up to basic. On chat command, we want the agent to move to the right. Click on agent. We're going to click agent turn, and he's going to turn to the right. Last part of our agent code is on chat command. We want him to turn to the left. Click on agent turn to the left. And that is that. You'll hit that play button. It's going to get us back into the game, and we're going to test it out. So I'm going to come over here by my maze. Since I have a raised floor, I'm going to have to make sure I'm like on the actual black part of my maze. Whoops. All right. Whichever direction I am facing, that is the direction that my agent should be facing. So I'm in my maze, I'm facing forward, and that's exactly what I want for my agent. So I'm going to select the T for let's talk about it in the chat. And I'm going to type the word agent, and boom, there is my agent. Now, he actually did not face the way that I wanted him to, which is okay, because this gives me the opportunity to show you that he can turn. So if I type T, I need him to turn to the right 2 times, so I will have to type it in there 2 times. And I type right, he turned. T, type right, and now he's facing forward in the direction that I need him to. As you can see, it's getting kind of dark outside, and I want to be able to see my agent move through the maze. So if I type T for the chat, I can type the word sunny for our weather code, and boom, it is daytime. So I'm going to double tap the spacebar and fly up in the air, because I want to be able to see my agent move through the maze. So the first thing my agent's got to do is move forward. So if I tap the T for the chat and I type in the word forward, he is going to move forward. Now, he needs to move forward again. So I'm going to tap T, type in the word forward, enter, and boom, he's moving forward. And your students are going to continue this process until they get their agent all the way through the maze.